Are you a landscaper? Are you doing endless cuts on site after the job is done? You have to power wash the cars, power wash the windows, power wash the driveways, spend endless hours to clean them on the job site. Maybe the homeowner is not quite happy about how much mess is left over. Look no further. Introducing the iQ Power Tools iQMS362i Masonry saw. This revolutionary saw features a 16.5-inch blade that'll cut all your copings from top to bottom with ease. Features a table extender in case you have some longer copings that you need to extend out, that this will assist you in doing that. And you're probably wondering, well, how do you transport this unit? Well, it does feature 2 rough surface tires for easy moving on any job site, and does easily collapse down so it can easily fit into your pickup truck. Handle comes out like so, and then you can wheel the unit around. And you're probably wondering, how does this unit work? Well, this is a dust-free unit as mentioned. I'm gonna pull this unit back up very easily. Once the unit is powered up, there's an automatic vacuum that does turn on once the unit is powered up, and it'll suck literally all the dust into this basin down below. As you probably know, this dust is quite harmful and it's not good to breathe in. You don't have to worry about it anymore. You don't have to worry about mud on the ground. Most importantly, you don't have to worry about job site cleanup. Now, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. You get to see this saw in action, and we're indoors. Literally a perfect cut every single time. No more throwing away endless pieces of stone because you can't get the precision cuts just right.